number 8 daw kayo sa bar exams. Bakit ako nagtatrabaho dito?
If I believe in anything supernatural, grounds na yun for disqualification.
No, sir.
Louder, please.
This is unfair. Hindi mo dapat ako nilalayo sa anak natin.
Mag-start na ang no contact natin, Chris.
Asuncion, Perez, and Zuniga. Kayo ang second group.
I took the law school entrance exam a decade ago and I failed.
Excuse me, pwede magpapirma? Ay,
Wish ka.
Pagod na ako.
Can you work? I need an answer. Yung ibang service workers na nagtatrabaho, na nagko-commute ng 2 oras kagaya ko, yung ihilata na lang tapos matutulog. Ako hindi, sir. Ako magtitimpla pa lang ako ng kape ko kasi nagsisimula pa lang yung araw ko tapos magbabalat pa ako. And ma'am, God, I'm so exhausted of it.
Maybe the point of life is not to win or lose, but to experience life.
kaso walang lawyer within a 10-kilometer radius. Kaya naisip ko, ako na lang.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong decision ko.
When you get to be my age, missed opportunities will haunt you more than failures. By not trying, you only create a vacuum. No lesson, no stories.
Many of the things we dream of, we will not live to see. It is a gift for the people of the future. And this is why we need to teach. And this is why we need to learn.
Medina Banal is one of the most cunning lawyers in our country. Kanina confident ako pero ngayon, alanganin tayo.
Attorney Vicencio, what an honor. I am your #1 fan.
Grabe! Kung kayo hindi pa naman na-excite doon, ayan ako, I don't know already. Pero ito another intermission number para naman talagang makonvince tayong manood from our very own Arvin and Bok. Please welcome Will and Benedict.